welcome to another video by FE Builds. It's very windy outside and very noisy over here, but we're going to try and do a bit of a change on the grill. So it involves taking off this front part. I'm going to lay it down on this small table over here, and then we're going to try and change the grill. A lot of people like this grill, but for me personally, I don't know, I just get bored of things after a while, so we're going to try and change this grill. Hopefully the new one fits. Let's see. Okay, so to take off the grill from the Jimny, you'll see there's two lock points over here. You basically just flip up the cap, and you can pull off the pin. And there's also two pins over here. You have to turn it 180 degrees in any direction, and then it'll release. And then apart from that, throughout the grill, you have to follow the grill gently, and you can pop the grill off the small pins that hold it towards the car. In this video, we take off the Heritage grill and we fit a 5-door Jimny grill on the 3-door Jimny. So if you are wondering if it's possible, yes it is. And all you need to do for this whole job is just a star screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and one spanner if you've got a bull bar like mine. If you don't, then you don't even need the spanner. You just need the two screwdrivers, one Phillips, one flat. So here's the two grills. I took off the Heritage grill, and I'm just comparing them, making sure they are exactly the same so that I don't have to go through the hassle of pinning a few pins on and then taking it off again. The Heritage grill is really nice. I liked it, but there was one thing I didn't like. When I fitted my spotlights, you couldn't read the full Suzuki logo. So I wanted a grill that doesn't get dirty easily. That's the main reason why I don't have the black grill. And I wanted a grill that is a bit shiny and just gives Optimus a bit more character, if I can say. As you see, the 5-door grill looks really nice on Optimus. And I don't mind having the chrome. I know there's some people who don't like the chrome, but hey, at the end of the day, different strokes for different folks. And as you can see, I've put back the bumper. It fitted perfectly. So if you've asked the question, can a 5-door grill fit on a 3-door? The answer is yes. And the answer for can 3-door grills fit on 5 doors, Jimnys? Yes, it's exactly the same. Every pin is in the same place and it'll work. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned to the channel. We've got more awesome mods coming up and more revelations concerning this car. So stay tuned and share this with anyone else you know would like this kind of content.